Hey everyone, this is Jenny Garcia and this is a December daily process video. And first I wanted to show you a peek of what I made in the last video, and that was day one. Very simple. I was using the Citrus Twist Jingle All the Way kit, and this time I'm going to use the new products from Everyday Explorers, especially the two stamp sets, Looking Back and Month to Month. And I had the idea when I saw the month to month stamp set. I wanted to do a repeat pattern using the word December. I love the little cursive font, that it's a little small, but I also wanted to pick a simple background so it would pop. So I used one of these journaling cards that I got from Studio Calico, and this is the pack that has the Color Theory journaling cards. And I'm going to use the Color Theory Poppy ink to stamp December on the left side. And I love this idea. This is something that I might repeat in my project life, or any other project that I might do. It turned out super simple, but I turned out exactly how I wanted it in my head, and those are my favorite, when I imagine something and it actually happens. And it was pretty simple for my style. But I do love how it turned out. And I also use the stamps from the Mini Bookmakers Kit Club from December, and I think it's called My Favorite Time of the Year. And I'm gonna link the items that I use below. They are affiliate links, you don't have to use them, but they do help a lot. And I'm also using that number, which is from a very old pink paisley pack, and I've used it for years. It had so many numbers. It has been one of my favorite things ever, and I still have quite a few. And I'm going to add these stars that I believe I got from Michaels, and I haven't seen them again, which sucks because they're pretty cool. I love the shape, the color, the sizes, and you see, technically simple, but I love how it turned out. And it says it's about yearly traditions and my favorite time of the year. I'm going to talk about the elf and also the advent calendar. Last year, because I'm still working on 2021, I'm behind as heck, I know. So last year my daughters had the Pokemon Funko Pop advent calendar, and this was day 2, and my daughter had Mr. Mime. And I use the prompt, the holiday prompts. That is another one of my favorites for this project, and I'm going to be reaching for it a lot. I share a video of my December daily cart. If you missed it, it's a very long one, but I show all the items that I'm using for this year, and one of those is the holiday prompts stamp set. It's just perfect to add little details, and I'm using the little phrase stickers from this month's kit from the Mini Bookmakers Club. And I also got these super tiny stars from AliExpress, and I might have to order more because they are awesome and I already love them. And oh, looks like I jumped a little part right there, but as always, I stamp on a label, added a little word sticker. The even smaller phrase sticker is from Pretty Little Studio Star, and I stamped December on that corner, and even though it looks good, I wasn't happy with it. It looked like lost, like it was floating there. So I'm gonna stamp another sentiment, and I am going to use a label, and these labels are from Citrus Twist kits, and I kind of wanted to use a different color, but the red one was the perfect size and shape for the stamp that I wanted to use, which said I love this season. And the whole A Yearly Tradition thing refers to Charlotte, who is our elf on the shelf. She's very famous on YouTube. If you've seen my channel, you've seen Charlotte, or at least if you've seen any other December daily video. And I love these little sweater stickers. I got them, I believe, 2 years ago from from Target, and they are from American Greetings. And on the right side of this spread, I only have one little simple insert, which is a 4x4. So I'm going to use a photo, and there, oh my god, I made the dumb mistake. I don't know what I was thinking. I think I was very tired, but I stamp on top of the page protector. It's a very small 4x4 page protector, and I didn't see it, and I was like, wait a minute, it never stamps like that. What is wrong with it? And when I grabbed it, I was like, well, it still has the the page protector, but it was fine. I cleaned it up, no big deal. But I did feel really dumb. So and okay, and I also added this month another one from the Looking Back stamp set, and another little sticker. And I wanted to put a card in the back, and I wasn't really that picky today. I was either looking for a filler card or a journaling card. I'm usually a little bit more specific, but this time around I didn't mind. I did found this L Studio card that went perfect with it, and I love how it turned out. It has grid. Grid is my favorite for handwritten journaling. I also had the runner-up was a card from Citrus Twist Kits, and that is a printable. I'm just trying to get the card and the photo to be the same size. And I love this little Fiskars guillotine or trimmer, however you want to call it. I am so happy that I spend money on it. I think I used a coupon at Joann's for it. I've been debating about getting one for a while because I already have a giant one. I don't need a little one, but I'm glad I got it. And I use the Tombow Twin Tone Dual Tip Marker to write my journaling. I love the tip. It's very small. And also, this is not printed on Canon matte photo paper. When I use Canon matte photo paper, I do not use these pens because the surface of the photo paper accumulates on the tip of the felt marker and kind of ruins it. So if you print at home, just be aware of that. In those cases, I use the Nina cardstock. I think it's called Nina's Sprite. Not my favorite because I do love bright white background, and that one is a little, just slightest cream color. And I do forgot to add a flip, but I am gonna add photos so you can see how it turned out. And I love this little journaling spot and the little sticker that it's from Feed Your Craft. Here is the final result. Those two 4x4 cards actually go in one little space. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you're having an awesome day. Bye.